First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to each and everyone present here who have spared the valuable time to be a part of this auspicious function, which is a very special part of my life. And to start with, this write-up, which has turned out to be, was I had planned it at a time when I decided to be a part of one competition that was organized by the Tata Steel, and it is known as the Sabal Award. And fortunately for me, I ended up being the winner of the Sabal Award under the long form essay category for the year 2020. And when I started writing this thing, what I had in mind was only how to depict the life of a person like me, the kind of challenges, the kind of the incredible and unbelievable journey that a person like me will have to go through. And this book is actually very special to my heart. I mean, it's very close to my heart because I had no clue that when I initially started writing for it, I had no clue that I would have the privilege to, stand in front of you as the author of the book. And it's actually a dream come true for me because I never expected that the kind of knowledge that my beloved teachers, my most wonderful parents have given me throughout the journey, which will continue, of course, will turn out to be something that I would, give them a sense of pride that I am actually their daughter, despite having a physically challenged daughter in their midst. They have never ever given me a sense of insecurity, and in fact, they made me believe that I should always follow my heart, and a Tiara of Love is in fact a result of me following my heart. And I would also like to extend my gratitude to Sachin Song for being here as a special guest. And thank you so much, sir, for your presence, and this means a lot. And even my teachers, my colleagues, my friends, who have always been, a support system for me. My teachers being the guiding star right from the time when I was still a small kid, uncertain of what my life would be. And fortunately, they have always been a source of motivation that drive me into the way I am now. And I'm glad that I am the result of their hard work. So before I conclude, I think this, whoever reads it will understand the kind of struggle a person like me would, they would be able to visualize the kind of difficulties this person with disability goes through in her day-to-day life. And the plot of the story is actually depicted on the life of a character, which is the main protagonist, named as Isabella. And I hope when you'll finally get a chance to read it, you will love it, and my work will be appreciated. So thank you so much for everyone who have taken your precious time to be here with me, along with my family members and friends, of course, and make this day even more special for me. So thank you so much. for your time. May God bless you all.
Kamla thought na Ibadalin, but nagkermes kan mengenai kot kan no pejing betul. Nak minta tolong ke Tuki Kharbuli.